Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. Today we are going to learn the next 3 letters in the Hiragana alphabet. In an introduction video, we learn what Hiragana writing system is, and then we learned the first 35 letters in Hiragana alphabet in our last videos. I have put the links to those videos in the description box below. If you still haven't watched them, you can take a few minutes to watch them. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Ganbarimashou. Now, let's learn how to read these letters. Ya, you, yo. Ya, you, yo. Now, let's learn how to write these letters. I have shown you the stroke order. You can pause the video and write them down if you want. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Yama, mountain. Yuki, snow. Yoru, night. Yume, dream. Fuyu, winter. Tsuyoi, strong. Yoka, 8th day. Yasumi, vacation. Yasashi, easy. Yumeina, famous. Let's read them again together. Yama, Yuki, Yoru, Yume, Fuyu, Tsuyoi, Yoka, Yasumi, Yasashi, Yumeina. Well done! We learned the next 3 letters of the Hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 10 words we can write using the first 38 letters. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブして、ライクしてくださいね。